So now we're going to use the internet to help us learn things that we're not sure of how to do. So a lot of people like to learn how to use PowerPoints or Excel or different programs, and they don't know where to start. Well, there's a lot of instructional videos online to help us with this. So the first thing we need to do is, how do we access that information? So we go to our search engine. So I like Google. So we're going to go to our search engine, and in our search bar, we're going to type in what we want to learn. So we want to learn how to make a PowerPoint presentation. So we're going to type in how to make a PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to press enter. Now, once you click it, it's going to give you all of the information that Google can find of how to make a PowerPoint presentation. So you're going to see the top is just basically a summary of the key information, what other people wrote as their search questions, videos, and then websites. Now, the first thing that you can do, and I think this is probably the most helpful, is to click on the video tab. And what it's going to do, it's going to streamline all of your results that you're looking for videos. And this is probably the best place to start, because watching an instructional video is going to be able to tell you what you want to do first before going into the nitty-gritties. Another thing that you'll notice that next to all of the links, there's this green check mark. So this is basically the the virus scan program that I have on my computer that is saying that this is a safe link and it's not going to bring me to any malicious software. So most computers will have, with virus scans, will have something like this. So we're going to click this link right here, and it brings us to our video of how to make a PowerPoint presentation. And one thing that is really useful in YouTube when it brings you to a video is that you'll notice on the right-hand side, you have some other videos based on what you looked for that can help you do what you're trying to do. And it'll just bring you to more and more videos on the topic that you're looking for. Okay, so let's say you know how to make a PowerPoint, but you want to learn something else. So what do? We start back from the beginning. So we go back to Google, and we type in what's the next thing we want to learn. So let's say we want to learn how to use Excel. How to use Excel. Okay, and then again, same thing like before. It is going to show you all of the possible things that you can learn from that topic. But again, we want to look at just the videos. So we just click on the videos, and it's going to show us just results for videos on that topic. So I hope this helped.